Your CleanView vacuum has a brush roll that may require some maintenance. We'll show you how. You will need a Phillips screwdriver. Start by unplugging your machine. Lay the vacuum down to the ground to expose the brush roll. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the 6 screws holding the brush cover. Grab both ends of the brush and lift straight out of the vacuum while slipping the brush off the belt. Clear the brush roll of any hair and debris and inspect by placing it on its end and spin. The brush should spin freely. If it doesn't spin, it may be time to replace. Thread the belt and line up the end cap to reassemble the roller. You can now replace the bottom cover and reinsert the 6 screws using your Phillips screwdriver. We hope these steps get you back on track to using your CleanView vacuum.